and then the UCR starts basically along here in about a mile.
Wow. I can't believe they've even built new houses out here. Look, them houses look so out of place.
Yeah.
Those ones look okay, but those ones look really out of place. Am I going straight?
Yep.
The unsuitable for motors, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
This is pretty much where the UCR starts.
No, it's just because obviously it could have gone two ways though.
I'm just trying to plumb in the next one while we do this one.
This is a road.
I was going to say, it's that's what some of them are, they're just unclassified.
Oh.
I think it will change.
It's muddy though, so I like it.
Exactly.
I like the slipper stuff.
It's off the beaten track to some degree.
Yes. I wouldn't want to be doing this in my Mini.
No.
I think that might be a bit orcs.
Could be interesting though.
Maybe. I'm being blinded by your phone screen again.
Look at the rules though.
I am looking at the rules, but at the same time I don't want to be blind. Right turn, Clyde. Who's Clyde?
Right turn, Clyde.
Onward.
Oh, this is nice.
You have to tell me if you want me to stop at any point.
The problem is, I feel like we're going to have to do these twice because a lot of these I'm going to miss all the interesting bits because I'm just not expecting it.
Correct.
That looks like it's an off-road course for like a kid or something because it's not churned up.
Yeah.
But it looks like someone's had some fun and it looks like it's been mounted up on purpose.
Thank you. That's a cute dog.
That dog's more interested in eating the grass.
Oh look, I think this should be a Ford.
Oh, ready?
Sploosh.
Some visor up.
I'm leaving mine down because every time I put it up it then gets sunny again.
Is this a bit better for you?
What?
Has it got a bit better? Is it less of a road?
Still feels a bit like a road. It's very up and downy though. Makes me think of like Teletubbies or something.
Makes me feel like I'm on a like small roller coaster.
A really slow roller coaster.
Yeah.
I don't want to see someone coming the other way, I must admit.
What's that for you?
Just because I think that'd be a bit annoying.
A little bit.
Don't you think?
But then you can fall off into the ditch.
I'd rather not. That don't sound fun. No ditch falling today, please.
And then we'll have to go to a farm and go, excuse me,
feel
can
like-
you use your big John Deere tractor to pull us out, please? And they'd be like, no. And we'll be like, oh, stuck.
I feel like you could walk quite far to find a farmer.
Then we'll have to ask someone nice on Facebook.
Yeah. Facebook's also for fun.
Where are you? I don't know.
Middle of nowhere. What 3 words? Help, we're
Yeah.
stuck.
If it helps, I have no signal, no data at this point.
What?
Not to concern you.
Doesn't concern me. It's like my life on a daily.
Yeah, it is.
This feels a bit more off-roady.
A little bit. Quite like this.
Although I did use a road yesterday in the van that I swear I had more patches than a patchwork quilt.
What about this?
This seems like a not
Because
road.
I think this is where it officially starts.
That was a long mile then.
Well.
You're right there, Jiggles.
Yeah.
Right turn, Clyde. Oh. Pretty.
The views behind us are even nicer.
Or are we going the wrong way then?
Yeah, a little bit.
We're going away from the views, not towards the views.
I am waiting to see just a massive like JCB tractor come the other way and be like, what are you doing here? And its front ways to be through our windscreen.
That would be a bit disconcerting, wouldn't it? Doof.
Doof. How's your suspension?
It's getting a workout, which is all good. How dry it is.
By the way, I want to take this opportunity to say this is kind of what Greenlaning is, because we can easily
I was polite and she ignored me.
She did. She was rude. In her own world.
She was very much.
Yeah, people kind of can sometimes get confused about what Greenlaning actually is,
yeah.
because we're also guilty of it, that we like the harder stuff, the bits that get the car tilting and stuff like that, but the reality is this is Greenlaning, the views and just almost, I don't know, just being away from it all to a point.
Using roads that you're not going to be using in your Vauxhall Corsa. Why do I always say Vauxhall Corsa?
Because I think with our channel there's never going to be super hardcore stuff appear on it.
Not particularly.
Because there's channels out there for that.
Maybe once in a blue moon, but not particularly. Can I have some navigation, please?
Please hold the line caller.
Holding the line caller. I'm going to guess it's that. I wonder how deep this puddle's going to be. I like the directions as well. I'm going to do a sploosh. Ooh, duff.
Yeah, when I looked at the sign and said byway, I was like, oh, that would be intriguing. Then I was like, oh yeah, this is where it splits.
Understood. I kind of want to do the puddle again. This isn't a road. This is too, like, undulating.
This is definitely UCR territory.
Oh, wow, baby. But it's the fact, even an unclassified road, it kind of blows my mind a little bit.
Yeah. I should have got out and recorded here.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Your product? Oh wow. Whee. Oh wow, that's a big puddle. I didn't see that one. Wow. Big puddle. And a sploosh. Ready for the big sploosh. Oh, this looks rocky. Cool. Oh.
Onwards, Jiver.
Onwards. I kind of hit puddles like slowly and boringly.
Knackered.
You're quite like I did a little video as she was running away. I think you might like laugh at my commentary.
It's because you're mean.
I'm not mean. It was just funny because as she was running, the way your hoodie was flapping, it looked like a cape. You sound a bit breathy.
A little bit.
Yeah. There's a farmer doing farming.
Let's hope we go like away from them, not into them.
Don't think they'll appreciate.
It's right, this lane comes to an end soon.
Why was it so puddly there and not here?
I don't know.
Some of them puddles were quite slippy.
Ooh.
Or like the bit between them.
Yes.
And then that end one, I kind of slowed down quite a bit because it looked suddenly really rocky. And I just felt like I was going to hit the end and just go duff, you know?
Yes.
Suddenly come to a stop. Oh, it must go up there.
Yeah, I'm going to assume so. Nice little hill climb. The brake sounded a bit graunchy after that water.
You think?
A little bit.
I don't know why. Duff, duff.
Duff, duff.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Oop, just fell.
That sounded like a saw or something.
I think they might have overshot with their hoppage. Or whatever they're doing. What are they doing? Come on, country boy, you should know.
They are doing muck spreading.
Oh, don't spread muck on us,
that's
please.
shooting out all the cowpat.
Oh, that's what this is that we're running in.
At the end, we're going right.
Okay. Don't cowpat us, please. No cowpattage.
He's scooping it up to put it into the back of the trailers.
Oh,
and then the trailers are going along the field to shoot it out.
That's good, isn't it?
And if you're really nice, he might zoom round and cover our car in it.
Oh.
I'm glad they've done this bit already.
Me too.
Thank you, farmers, for doing good farmage. Without you, we wouldn't have good produce. Or
support English farmers.
Yes.
Buy fresh veg, I don't know.
Or Nana wouldn't have or Alana wouldn't have our Weetabix.
Nana Alana.
Nana Alana.
Did you say right?
Right turn, Clyde.
I forgot whether you said right or left.
It's alright, my Google Maps is freaking out right now.
I can understand.